Alright, so we're working on a 2015 Dodge Challenger 6.4 liter SRT, and we're replacing the electronic power steering rack. And I've already disconnected the tie rods. These are 21 millimeters. Just take those out, and then you gotta disconnect these two connectors right here, which I slid over here. They're just two push tabs. You take those out. Take out the bolt and the nut. The nut is an 18 millimeter and the bolt is a 15. So there's two of those. And then taking off the shaft from here, the steering shaft, which you can see right there. I just put some penetrating on and then kind of wiggle that off. And then it's a 13 millimeter bolt that holds that on. But besides that, it's free. You just pop these two bolts out. And just like that, steering gear is out. And you're gonna just see how simple this is. It's not really nothing to it. Okay, got that bolt in. Never forget this one in. Cool. Maybe this one. Boom. And the shaft is back installed right there. Put the 13 millimeter bolt. Put your connectors back on. Put your tie rods on. I'm just gonna make sure everything's lined up properly before I get them all the way in there. But besides that, that is it when it comes to installing these. Put your 18 millimeter bolt back on the inside. This one. It's 18 there, 15 here. These are 21 for the outer tie rods. Just two connectors. Just the big main one, the little smaller one. One here. And then, like I said, that was 13. But besides that, it's pretty simple. So that's it. OMW out.